Welcome to another day in the Matrix. Just wanted to start this video out by thanking everyone for their support. We've added on quite a few subscribers over the past couple days, working towards our goal of getting 1,000 subscribers before the end of March. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and give a sub and then thumbs up and share this content if you like it. Today I'm making a video that is a part 2 to this video right here, Gematria XRP Ripple Decode. So we're going a little bit deeper into XRP, quite a bit to discuss, and I will also finish up this video with a price prediction. I keep getting this question of why is XRP stagnant? Why doesn't the price go up? What's going on with it? When will it go to the moon? All that, everyone cares about price. So we'll get into it and start out with the two basic XRP and Ripple in Gematrinator. And the first thing that I noticed about Ripple is it calls itself a global payment solution. So if you type in Ripple into Google, you get Ripple Global Payment Solutions. So let's start with that. Start with the first word, global. And we're immediately getting some results, right? We're getting the 22 matching with the 22, and we're getting the 32 matching with the 32 in Ripple. And what's interesting about the word global is that seems to be what's going on with the fall of humanity. Basically, we're all entering a new world order where we're all going to be under a global payment system. You know, we already have basically a global language, a global military force. Everything is pretty much heavily controlled. And it's really interesting that they call themselves a global payment solution, because we'll see how this word solution is, it all ties into this. So anyways, we got global with the immediate matches. Let's throw in payment, and we're also getting immediate matches with the 32s. So we have 32, 32, 32. Pretty simple there. Also 31 reverse 13, that's another important number, but save that for something else. And then one other thing we're going to try out here is something that I noticed, where if you type in global payment solutions, and then also you type in Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson, who are the two cover boys for this project right here, created by quote-unquote Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse, you get a match in the purest cipher on 287. Again, all controlled. Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson coming with their global payment solutions. Thanks, guys. Thanks for helping out the world. You're really, banking the unbanked, getting all those people that are off the grid onto the system. It's just what we need, right? You can tell I'm being facetious there, but people need to wake up. So then I'm going to throw in the word solutions, which I feel is really interesting, because we're immediately getting the 144, which comes back to Jesuit order. And we all know how the Jesuits want to give us their solutions to control humanity. So we have the 144 in the English ordinal match, and then we have the full reduction 54 and the match on 54 in solutions. And this is where we can fractal it out and start connecting the dots here. So we have a immediate connection with solutions and Bitcoin. And where we're seeing that is with the 36 connection. So we have 36 and 36, and then we also have 45 and 54 flipped. So that's also really, really interesting. And another place I'm seeing this 144 And I think I was bringing it up in a previous video, and I was kind of forgetting where I saw it, and it's on this. So how many Bitcoins are mined every day? Would you look at that? 144 blocks. So 144 blocks are mined per day on average since the last halving, which happened in May. Again, the 144 connection. Another thing I'm seeing with solutions is the 99, and that comes back to Jupiter, which is important. Jupiter, helping along the Jesuits with their Zionist socialist takeover of humanity. Thanks, guys. And we have the Jupiter connection with Bitcoin on the 36 and the 45. And again, the 99 match with Jupiter and solutions. The people running the show, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, etc. It all comes back to these planets. It all comes back to astrology. So right there, we just made a huge connection that I think kind of ties in a lot of our understanding, because Bitcoin being tied to the solutions with the 144 blocks being mined on the year of the new all-time high, this all connecting because Bitcoin is what? The solution to fiat money. So again, this is all planned, it's all prepared to happen on this time frame to move us into the fourth industrial revolution, to have a global payment system. And another thing that I'm getting is this connection right here, Catholics. Okay, so again, we have Bitcoin, the connection with the 36s to Jupiter, and the Catholics, and the 45. So Bitcoin 45 matching with Catholics on the 54 flipped. And we're starting to see here, this is all coming together, right? Catholics and Jupiter matching with the 90s. Really, really interesting stuff. Another thing that we're getting with Catholics is the Jesuit order match. Again, they help each other through the Vatican. And I'm sure we could keep going down this, this rabbit hole, but we'll save that for another video. So we're going to get to the prediction of Bitcoin of XRP, and when is it going to hit new highs, and I think I might have cracked the code here. So again, I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to put in XRP, and I'm going to put in Ripple, and we're going to use this to determine some dates. So for one, I personally believe that XRP is going to hit a new all-time high in 2022, okay? Because I see this 22 connection. And I also believe that that is about the time we will start seeing noticeably moving into the quantum financial system, or the new world global payment system. And again, that's what XRP and Ripple are all about, the global payment solutions. Anyone who's coming here because you're part of the XRP army, you're aware of all this information and how it's all tied in. Okay? So I believe that if I could give a date, and this might seem sort of obvious, but I believe it will be January 4th, 2022. Okay? And the reason for January 4th is because the date would be written 1-4, like XRP with 14, in the year of 2022. Okay? Now, that is when the previous all-time high happened. So if you guys go back to when XRP hit the $3.20 mark on most charts, it hit around $3.20. Some even hit around $3.30. Go figure, for 33. But $3.20 was what it hit on most charts. And again, the 3-2 coming back to Ripple, and then reverse being XRP. And what date did that happen on? It happened on January 4th, which is the 1-4, which comes back to XRP. And now, why am I thinking that we will have a new high around the same date moving into next year. And that is because if you type that date in, what I'm getting is 48 months. So it's obviously a full 4 years, and this is the cycles. Remember, Bitcoin has its 4-year cycle. I believe XRP will also have a 4-year cycle. And the 48, if you reverse 48, you get 84, and that comes back to Jesuit. So I believe that that is about when we will see new highs. Now, I think that we will have a repeat of what XRP will do when it has this massive move, like a very parabolic move to the upside. And I believe the amount of days that will last will be 58 days. Okay? And I'm going to get to why I believe that. Let me remove Ripple. Let me remove that Bitcoin just so I could clean up and get everything back on track. So we have 58 in XRP in the pure cipher. And like I was saying, I believe between January 3rd, the eve before January 4th. So remember, January 4th would be the 1-4 date. I'll put a marker here so we could kind of visualize all of this. So 1-4 would be this date right here, and 54 days from the eve before, the day before, being January 3rd, which would be written 1-3, by the way, so that's another important date. So from the day before, 58 days in the future, we're getting March 2nd, okay? And now March 2nd being the 3-2 date, right? So you have March as 3 and the second day written as 3-2, and then you're going to get more confluence in why I'm thinking this this date. So again, plan to hit new all-time highs by January 4th. Of course, there could be very volatile movements up and down, but then we will start seeing it go parabolic moving into March of 2022, in my opinion. And that would be a 58-day span from January 3rd, the eve before the new high, moving into the 32 date numerology of March 2nd. We're making a lot of connections here, right? And then what I think we might see a parabolic blow off top, and this is where it gets really interesting, where we'll see something that goes up really high, really fast, probably to something obvious like $12 or even something crazier like $14. You know, I don't want to get too much into the price. I just want us to understand when will we be seeing new highs in XRP. So now where I think that will be this date right here, 3/24. Okay. Now the reason for that date is because 24 written backwards would be 42, and 42 connects back to Jesuit, which is really important. It's always how this works. Oh, also another thing about 32 and why that's an important number, and we're getting it in Ripple, is because the logo of the Society of Jesus, if you count the rays around this sun, it's 32 sun rays. Just remember that. It's really interesting, but it is true. So why the date of the 24th of March, right? So if you take the current all-time high of January 4th, 2018 to the date 3/24/2022, we end up with 4 years and 2 months coming back to the 42. So the flip date would be 24 or 42 for Jesuit, And then you also get 4 years and 2 months, coming back to 42 for Jesuit. And then here's the ultimate connection. It will be 1,540 days. And why is 1,540 critical? Because that is the year that the Jesuits were formed, 1540. And then icing on the cake would be, it'll be 220 weeks coming back to the 22. So this is when I think it's going to get absolutely crazy for XRP. Don't look at these numbers. I'm just typing out this date for everyone. March 24th, 2022. And it'll probably be an important date for the world because March is a very chaotic month. Lots of ritual craziness going on, and 2022 is going to be a big year because that's going to be the year of the start of the Beast system payment solution, when we all have, most likely all have, CBDCs in place of fiat money, digital currencies tied to biometrics. It's going to be a crazy world. So I hope that this connection was thorough. I mean, I don't know what more evidence you need. There's so much going on. And again, it might suck for people to have to wait another year for this to start hitting the $3 range, but think about this. This movement to the upside, if that started at, if I could just take a bars pattern and put this around $1, just to give you an idea of how this would look if I moved it up to around like let's just say it takes until the summertime, going by our previous dates. Something like this, where we'll probably get a move up to that like $2 something leading into the end of the year when Bitcoin starts to do well, and then it's just going to go parabolic. Something like, I mean, I could totally see it going to $7.60. That would make a lot of sense for Ripple. But I mean, ultimately, I'm looking at the $14 range. That would most likely be something that we could expect, because when XRP moves, it moves, and it moves fast. Some people say, oh, that's only happened once. No, it hasn't. It's happened literally twice. And when it happened, it looked insane. Look at this. Look at this move up. Absolutely wild. And then look, it goes on this flat bear market, and then boom. So that's all we're going to see. We're going to see one day when we wake up, the price is just going to be up hundreds of percent, and you're not going to anticipate it, because it's not going to be happening when Bitcoin's doing well. It's not going to be happening when Ethereum is doing well. It's going to happen on its own, okay? So let all the XRP Army news go to, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if they're tied to all these central banks. None of that matters. They are being ran by the people who run everything else. Doesn't matter what banks they're tied to. So I'm going to leave the video there. Enjoy the rest of your day in the Matrix. Talk to you guys tomorrow.